Miscellaneous products for sale. Chapter 1. Miscellaneous offbeat products for sale 1. Miscellaneous products for sale. Sheepskinstiation.com, sheepskin stuff. Archie McPhee and Company. epub 30852. Seattle, Washington 98103. 425-349-3009. Fax 425-349-5188. McPhee.com. Fun stuff, toys. Adoption products for sale. Adoptionstuff.com. Adoptshoppy.com. CelebrateTheChild.com, 800-237-8400. ChinasProut.com. ColorfulFamilies.com. CulturalKeepsakes.org, 800-913-9750. Deshoot.net. MiracleOfAdoption.com, 800-741-0711. Tapestry Books. epub 359. Ringo's, New Jersey 08551. 800-765-2367. TapestryBooks.com. As seen on TV products for sale. CoolTVOffers.com/products. AsSeenOnTV.com. AS-SEEN-ON-TV-PRODUCT-OUTLET.com. AsSeenOnTVAdvisor.com. Cheerleading products for sale. CheerleadingAmerica.com. AmericanCheerleader.com. BroadwayAlbion.com. CheerDeals.com. Cheerleading.net. PalmExpress.com. Varsity.com. VarsitiesPyRIT.com/UCA. AmericanCheerleader.com. 888-827-9300. Magazine. Recreonics Corp. 4200 Schmidt Avenue. Louisville, Kentucky 40213. 800-428-3254. Recreonics.com. Cigars, pipes for sale 1. Cigar and Spirits Magazine. CIGarenSpirits.com. BestLighters.com, lighters. CheapCigars.com. ChurchIL.com. Cigar.com. CigarAficionado.com. CigarExperience.com. CigarFamily.com, 800-477-1884. CigarFriendly.com. CigarGroup.com. CigarIndian.com. CigarMall.com. CubanCrafters.com. DISCOUNT-CIGARETTES.org. DON-COLLINS.com. eCigarDepot.com. GothamCigars.com, 888-468-0033. IndianTobacco.ws. JRCigars.com. NeptuneCigars.com, 800-655-3385. NetCigar.com. NewGlobal.com. Pipes.org. pipe-smokers.co.uk. SmokeInjos.com. SmokeMag.com. SmokeMag.com. SmokersClubInc.com. TheCigarStore.com. ThompsonCigar.com. Cigars, pipes for sale 2. CigarWorld.com. 888-622-6836. Corona. 6150 Silver Star Road. Orlando, Florida 32808. 888-70 Cigar. CoronaCigar.com. Georgetown Tobacco. 800-345-1459. GTTobacco.com. Holt Cigar Co. 114 South 16th St. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 10102. 877 Go Holtz. Holtz.com. Mom's Cigars. 800-831-8893. MomsCigars.com. Thompson Cigar Co. 5401 Hanger Court, Tampa, Florida 33634. 800-237-2559. ThompsonCigar.com. Clocks for sale. CLOCKS-MANUFACTURER.com. NACC.org, National Association of Watch and Clock Collectors. PhillipsClockShop.com. GrandfatherClocksCompany.com. BradCoent.com. 888-236-8263. Clock Parts. Emperor Clock Co. POB 1089. Fairhope, Alabama 36533. 800-642-0011. EmperorClock.com. Grandfather Clocks. Howard Miller Fine Clocks. 800-873-0506. HowardMiller.com. Innovation Clock. 800-421-4445. ClockParts.com. Clock It. POB 636. Lake Geneva, Wisconsin 53147. 800-556-2548. ClockIt.com. Kemple Chime. 1195 Minnetonka Boulevard, Excelsior, Minnesota 55331. 800-328-6445. QMPelchimeclock.com. WARNER-CRIV.com. 800-523-4242. Clockmaking Kits. Chapter 2. Miscellaneous Offbeat Products for Sale 2. Halloween Products for Sale. By Costumes.com. ExtremeHalloween.com. Halloween.com. HalloweenCoStummyWorld.com. HALLOWEEN-ONLINE.com. HalloweenPictures.com. HauntedAmerica.com. JACK-O-LANTERN.com. PrankPatrol.com. PUMPKIN-CARVING.com. ThePumpkinFarm.com. ValueBuy.net/Halloween.html. Hot air balloons for sale. Hotairship.com. Launch.net. Edmund Scientific. 101 East Gloucester Pike, Barrington, New Jersey 08007. 609-547-3488. 800-257-6173. Scientificsonline.com. Science stuff, hot air balloons, everything. Medieval products for sale. People come together, dress up in medieval garb, have mock night challenges, etc. Try number 734 at the library. Renaissance Magazine. RENAISSANCE-MAGAZINE.com. Society for Creative Anachronism. Box 743. Milpitas, California 95035. 800-789-7486. 408-262-5250. SCA.org. Medieval Interests. Fairs.com. Foodbooks.com/medieval.hdm. GenoaNV.com, Renaissance Fair. Elvirenfair.com, Renaissance Fair. MedievalCookery.com. medieval-life.net. Renfair.com. varmories.com, Valentine Armories. MedievalTimes.com. 888 We Joust. Dinner and Tournament, several throughout U.S. Noble titles for sale. Look up peerage lawyers on the internet for the country you want to buy the nobility title from. In England, royal titles are hereditary. They come from the Queen or King, are not transferable and do not survive the holder's death. There are lots of feudal titles for sale that go back to the days when kings rewarded loyalty with a noble title. The hierarchy is Duke, Duchess, Marquess, Earl, Viscount, Baron, Baroness, Lord/Lady of the Manor. Be wary of people selling fake titles. All you get is a piece of paper anyway. english-titles.co.uk. messageb.co.uk. nobletitlet.com. thehosioflords.net. themarketplacedirect.com/peerage confirmed. Burke's Peerage. Number 202. Albany House. Regent St. London, England. W1R5AA. 44-0-1903-506440. Fax, 44-0-1903-700476. burkestitley@aol.com. burkestitley.com. Nostalgia products for sale. boomerstv.com. retrojunction.com. retrojunk.com. vintagevending.com. xentertainment.com. Weather instruments for sale. accuweather.com. theweatherplace.com. weather.com. weatherlabs.com. weatherplanner.com. weathertools.com. abayon.com. 800-922-0977. accuweather.com. 800-341-1262. Computer service. alden.com. 800-225-4767. Davis Instruments. 800-678-3669. davisnet.com. For home use. nkelectronics.com. 800-784-4221. Pete Brothers Co. New Jersey. 800-872-7338. PeteBrothers.com. Home weather stations. Rainwise.com. 800-762-5723. RayMarINE.com. 800-539-5539. Swift Instruments. Massachusetts. 800-446-1115. SWIFT-OPTICS.com. Usaskin.com. 800 Usascan.